So that is how the coffee is made, with the poop. Yes, true. Risking for this view. Oh man, Bali is incredible. Andarki namaskaram, welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good. This is my day 1 in Bali, all set to explore Kuta now. In case you missed my yesterday's vlog, the information you need to travel to Bali from India, I'll be linking up here. Go check it out. The first thing I have to do is finding a rental bike now. Without wasting any time, let's get started.
YouTuber, bro.
Yeah.
Oh. Welcome to Bali.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bali.
So I found a place where I can rent motorcycles here.
Right.
So yeah, these men are helping me out.
Welcome to Bali. Where did you come from?
India.
Oh, India. Hello,
Yeah.
India. Hello.
So this is the bike I got, and yeah, I need to put petrol. They'll give 1 liter of fuel. So it is Honda. Super hungry, so I decided to eat first. Came to KFC, and this is rice box. This is chicken, salad, rice and sauce, and I also got myself Coke. So this is my meal. So done with my meal here in KFC. Right now I'm near to Kuta Square. There are beautiful shops around, nice place it is. So I'll go around, walk around, and I'll show you. So the next place I came to is 66 Beach. As you can see, it is really beautiful. So if you are a surf lover, this is the place for you. You can do surfing, learn surfing, and we have lot of beautiful restaurants around this place. I'll quickly show you around. Climate is crazy. I'm sweating. Water is so clear, and this is the place. So as usual, I'll quickly show you around. And now I'm in Kuta Beach, one of the main tourist attraction here. I thought of coming here for sunset, but a lot of people suggested me to go to Uluwatu. So I think a lot of beaches here are similar. As you can see, you can learn surfing and do surfing here as well. I heard there is also boating. As you can see, you can also do boating here. So this is the beach. make it to Uluwatu because since half an hour I've been on a heavy traffic. It will close by 7 PM. So I hope I will make it. Let's see. Thought of updating you guys. Stopped here to have some water. So let's go. Let's go. As you can see, stuck in traffic again. I hope I will make it on time, or else I have to find another place. Arey, jalad raha re, hey, time le raha re, please raha re. So this is the way, kind of hilly side of Bali. I'm enjoying the ride so much. I don't have proper mic, sorry about the wind noise. Luwak coffee is famous. A cat type of animal. So it will eat only coffee beans, and the poop is the real coffee. So that is how the coffee is made, with the poop. Yes, true. To Uluwatu, and right now I'm in parking. As you can see, this is car parking, and this is motorbike parking. After 1.5 hours of traffic, finally made it to Uluwatu. So to go inside you have to pay 50,000, and you have to wear this. I don't know what it is called. So let's go. I think it's late already. Let's go. And they warned about the monkeys, so don't put expensive sunglasses or anything else which is expensive outside. Keep it in your bags. So that point you need to note. Let's go. Made it to Uluwatu temple. My time lapse is running here. If it slips, it will directly fall into water. Risking for this view. Oh man, Bali is incredible, and dance is happening here. I'm late for that, so just enjoying here with this view. Check out the time lapse. Going back from Uluwatu, I found Burger King, so I decided to do my dinner here. So let's go. Food just made it here, so fries are pretty big. And this is my burger and coke without ice. So this is my dinner. Back to the room, took hard shower. I don't know why I'm so tired. I need some bad rest. So before ending my vlog, I would like to talk about one thing, Indonesian rupiahs. So chala zeros untai, it is very easy to get confused. It's better to use calculator first 2 days. Later you will get used to it. So Adi, I just wanted to share, and yeah, tomorrow morning I have a ferry to Nusa Penida. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. As always, click here to subscribe and click here to watch my last video. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.